Is Diwali todenge tale India wale. It's a very cool, youthful way of describing Indians. It was a very exhilarating experience.
Deepika, her physicality is based on her.
Yeah, Abhishek's sense of humor is on another planet. To begin and end with the slam experience was absolutely fantastic. The production value, the kind of items that all of them performed. Abhishek actually broke a bottle on his head.
Great production value.
Yeah. Vivan's first show, I've danced more than Deepika on this show, literally some six performances. It was a very exhilarating experience.
There's a lot of hard work that this lady has put into making this film into a reality. You know, every character worked very hard.
They just made me notice that I'm two different people on and off the set, where I seem to think I'm the same person. But when I'm on set, I'm very meticulous. Like he said, the most exhausting movie that I have ever made. Shah Rukh and me, sense of humor is kind of on the same plane. Abhishek's sense of humor is on another planet, let me tell you, especially when it comes to Baman and me. But he is the most fun actor that I've ever worked with. He really, I feel 30 years younger. I feel I'm in school when I work with Abhishek. With Vivan, I think right now it's his second movie, so he is the butt of the jokes.
Deepika, her physicality is based on Farah.
Yeah, I'm a very moral person.
Deepika's physicality is based on Farah.
For all that she plays a bar dancer, she is the moral core of the group. She is the only righteous person.
Yeah.
She is a righteous person who will do the right thing, and whereas they have clearly gone to, and he has absolutely no morals. Nandu Bide is actually my favorite character because he is shameless and he has no morals, and that makes him so lovable because he just says, he is more me than anyone else, I think. He just says the weirdest of things. That's because he's so embarrassing, they don't want to get him anywhere, and he wants to be part of the group.
Nandu is so badly behaved that the team doesn't like to take him around. He's an embarrassment. So they keep locking him up in the room, and he doesn't like that because he wants to be with everybody. He's a very friendly guy. So he comes up with these disguises to go out any which way. So that's why you see him in so many different disguises.
I'm playing the role of a computer hacker who's like who's a dork nerd who doesn't have any friends in real life, and who's not cool, who's very uncool, और लड़कियों के साथ जब जाता है तो उसका मुंह खुला नहीं जाता है. But in his own world, in the virtual world with this computer, he's really cool. So that's like his weapon, his sort of tool that, to strike against the world and also to use in the heist. So that's how his function in the heist is that.
I think India Wale just took on a life of its own because the first poster that we came out with, the catchphrase actually given by Mayur Puri, our dialogue writer. We were thinking of what is the catchphrase for Happy New Year, and we couldn't think of any, and we asked him to send, and Shah Rukh and we chose that is Diwali todenge tale India wale, and I think that India wale word was actually made by Vishal Dadlani, and I think it's a very cool, youthful way of describing Indians. And through the movie, you'll see how it works very well. And
just
come and have a great time and
have a happy New Year.
Have a happy New Year.
Yeah.